this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how to fix KRNL fail to find Roblox process. If you see such interface, then you have to follow these steps. First of all, what you have to do is here, you simply want to close the Roblox application completely. Come to hidden icon and check whether any sort of Roblox is open up. Next, you want to right click on the mouse, go to task manager, and here as well you want to locate Roblox. And if you see any of the Roblox just like this, you want to simply right click and click on end task. Once you've done it so, you want to come to the Windows tab and then click on the power button and restart your device. This should be able to fix it as well. If you still face issue, what next you actually want to do is right click on the mouse on the Roblox Player, then go to open file location. Next, you simply want to go to Roblox Player Beta. So when you come to this page, right click on the mouse, then go to properties. And here you want to come to compatibility. Make sure that compatibility mode is selected, as well as run this program as an administrator is also selected. Once you do it so, click on apply and click the OK button. Now then close this tab and then restart your PC and try logging in. That should be able to help. Despite all this procedure, if nothing works, then you want to completely uninstall Roblox. For that, click the search bar, type in add or remove, and go to the open section. Next, you want to locate Roblox. Click the three dot icon right next to it when you locate it so, and you need to go ahead and uninstall. That will be able to help. Once again, restart your device and then reinstall the Roblox application. This is going to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.